Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying lesson the sentence. Which lesson we were studying yesterday? The sentence. And in that sentences we have studied four types of sentences. Which are those four types of sentences? Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Right? Assertive sentence means what? Assertive sentence means the sentences which have statements, and assertive sentences ends with what? It ends with full stop. Correct? For example, uh, if I'll give you Hina is a girl, okay, full stop. Then something is stated about a girl. Are you understanding or not? Hina is a girl. Who is girl? Hina is a girl. Something about Hina is told, so it is a statement, right? Second type of sentence is imperative sentence. In imperative sentences, two types of sentences are used. That is, order is given or request is done. Are you understanding? When I will say you sit down, correct? When I will say you sit down, that is what? That is an order given by me. So this sentence is what? Imperative sentence. If I will say please can you be quiet, then this is what? It is an request asked to you, or this is an request done to you, and request and order are the sentences called imperative sentence. Third one is interrogative sentence. Now interrogative sentence is which sentence? The sentence which has question mark. Total 9 types of questions are there. I told you in yesterday's period. What, when, where, why, how, which, why. Then more, what is there? Whom, correct? 8 to 9 types of questions are there, and those questions are asked, and interrogative sentences have question mark in the ending. That are which sentences? Interrogative sentences. For example, what is your name? Question mark. Correct? Where do you stay? Question mark is there. This is a question. Such sentences are known as interrogative sentences. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which are sudden feelings or strong feelings which we express. Sudden and strong feelings when we express in front of others, that sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Have you understood? And exclamatory sentences have which mark in ending? It has exclamatory mark. Okay? Assertive sentence has what? Full stop. Correct? Imperative sentence has what? It has order or request. It has order or request. Correct? Interrogative, this is imperative. Interrogative sentence has what? Interrogative sentence has question mark. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Last one is what? Exclamatory sentence. It has exclamation mark. Okay, can you see this marks? Full stop. Here order or request is given. Here in interrogative sentence question mark is asked, and in exclamatory sentence exclamation mark is given. Okay, I think you have understood in yesterday's period also, and even now I have revised it. Now there is a question in your grammar book. Rearrange and punctuate the groups of words to form sentences. What we have to do? We have to rearrange. Now group of words is given in your grammar book, and those group of words we are going to arrange in a sentence. Okay, let us see. First one is sad, sad, YOU, WHYY, ARER, and SO, so. Now this is group of words. Now we have to make sentence from it. So now what word will come first? Why are you so sad? So what will be our answer? Why are you so sad? Now when question is asked with WHY, it is what? It is a question. The word is what? Question. So which mark will come at last? Here question mark will come. Why are you so sad? Correct? Or then do you think what exclamatory mark will come or what? Someone is sitting quietly and then you go and ask him, hey, what happened? Why are you so sad? So your exclamatory mark can also come, okay? For example, then we'll put here exclamatory mark. Then this sentence is which sentence? It is exclamatory sentence. It is which sentence? It is exclamatory sentence. Have you understood? Have you understood? We have to write down which different kind of sentence it is. First one is what? Exclamatory sentence. Or you can even say that it is an interrogative sentence. Question mark also, it can be question also, okay? Second one, sentence which is there or which is given here is quite keep. Now two words are given and you have to rearrange them. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be keep quiet. Teacher says this, correct or not? Keep quiet. When we say keep quiet, what it is? It is an order. And order means what? Order means imperative sentence. I had written here just now. Correct? Order means what? Which sentence? Imperative sentence. So this is which sentence? It is imperative sentence. Have you understood? It is which sentence? Imperative sentence. Now third sentence or group of words which is given over here is clever, how are you? Third one is what? Clever, how are you? Now this group of words we are going to arrange. How clever are you? Correct? How clever are you? Answer. How clever are you? Your question mark will come. So the sentences which has question mark, those sentences are called what? The sentences which has question mark, those sentences are called interrogative sentence. So our this answer is what? It is interrogative sentence. It is which sentence? Interrogative sentence. Now next example which is given over here is fourth one. Works bank mother in my okay. Works bank in my mother A. Now what sentence you can make from this group of words? My mother works in a bank. Yes, very good. So what will be the answer? My mother works in a bank. Now this is an statement, normal sentence it is, so full stop will come over here, and when full stop will come over here, then this sentence will be which sentence? It will be assertive sentence. Which sentence it will become? It will become assertive sentence. Understood? We have completed how many examples? 4 examples. Correct? There are more. 5th example, 6, 7, 8, more 6 examples are there. How many examples are there more? More 6 examples are there. Now 5th one is you live, do, where, now. What is next one? We will take only 5th one and then we'll stop. 5th sentence which is given over here is you were, what is that? You live, do, where, now. You live, words. We have to make sentence from it. It is what now? Group of words, and we have to make sentence. Now what sentence will become here? Can we start with where? Because there are some sentences which starts with where. So we will start with where. Where do you live now? Yes, very good. What will be the answer here now? Where do you live? L-I-V-E, live now. Now this is what it is, a question. Then when question is there, then what we have to put? We have to put question mark. Where do you live? It is asked to you, where is your place or where do you live, correct? WH question is there. When WH question is there, I have told you. When there is WH question in a sentence, that sentence is which sentence? It is an interrogative sentence. Which sentence it is? Interrogative sentences. So we are going to write down now which kind of sentence it is. This sentence is interrogative sentence. This sentence is which sentence? It is an interrogative sentence. So for today, we have solved 5 examples. I want you all to write down this all 5 examples in English grammar notebook. If you don't have English grammar notebook, I told you 75% of English notebook you can keep for English Bal Bharati, and 25% of English Bal Bharati notebook you can make for grammar part, and you can write down name of lesson. And question number 1 was over yesterday, match the columns. And question number 2, first 5 examples we have completed today. 6 to 10th examples we will complete in next period. And now I would like to repeat again, what are assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are those sentences which has statement and it ends with full stop. Imperative sentences are those sentences which has order or command, correct? Order and command, not or command, and command. Those sentences are called imperative sentences. Third one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means questions are asked, and those sentences has which words? WH-AT what, WH-ERE where, WH-Y why, WH-O-M whom, WHO who, HOW how, then more WH-Y why. Such questions are asked, such words are used in those sentences, means which has question. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences means sudden expressions or strong expressions. When we express, those sentences are called exclamatory sentence. I think you have understood, and please complete your first 5 examples in English notebook. Remaining 5 examples we will take in next period. Okay, thank you.